in our cabin on the Ambassador Ambition. One thing I noticed, having never been on a cruise before, pleasantly surprised at the size of the room. Plenty of space, 2 single beds. And as we spin round, got a table with a big mirror and a TV over on the other side. We have got a sea view cabin, so as we move out we'll take some more footage. There are lots of cupboard space. Underneath the TV, some more towels there. There's towels for by the pool if that is something you want to do. I don't think we've got the weather for that. And then underneath the desk area there is a hairdryer, and over on the other side there's tea and coffee facilities and a bottle of water, which for the privilege you will be charged £1.85. Plug sockets and USB ports underneath the desk if you did want to do any work. And there, just above the TV, there is a safe and some more storage areas. Instructions how to work the safe. And then back towards the entrance is the bathroom. Into the bathroom we go, the toilet and the sink. And then to the side is the shower. So as you'd expect on a cruise line, the bathrooms are not huge, but it will do the job.